A foreign degree is a dream harbored by many Indian students, indicating the popularity of the US, UK, and the Canadian universities. Such global education helps in a holistic development of the student, aided by the curriculum that is dynamic and flexible with a wide range of electives and specializations. An attractive prospect for studying abroad is the earn while you learn opportunity through various campus jobs. Deserving students can also avail of merit-based scholarships.
Our first collaboration with international universities started as early as 2006.
Vidyalankar has partnered with top universities in USA, UK and Canada and has developed some unique programs both at undergraduate level and postgraduate level. Our programs equip the students with the right tool set, with the right skill set and more importantly the right mindset. Ever since they were started in 2006, they have been well received by the students, by their parents and by the industry.
This international programs gives an exposure to our student to study in 2 countries.
The unique feature of this transfer program is the flexibility of subjects. The students can select the subject of their own choice and that enhances their academic performance drastically.
We try and bridge the gap between the Indian education system and the American education system. This is done during the 2 years when the students are with us. The faculty go to the America, Canada universities and train and come back with those best practices which are being implemented in the Indian classroom over here.
Well, the format, if we talk about how the format is of the education system, in abroad especially there is no format. So it makes you kind of like think analytically, critically, and in fact there are also lifelike situations, so you have to think through them. So it kind of helps you develop your personality in terms of critical and analytical thinking. So that is something that is a major difference that I found in studying in India as well as in abroad.
Our objective is to make the admission as well as the transfer process as easy and simple as possible for the students and their parents.
The reason I chose Vidyalankar 2+2 transfer program for my daughter was because of the learning experience that the students get over there. This university offers 4 different specializations, which is an added asset.
So post her 12th result, we were confused that what line she should choose, and then VSIT counseled me in a manner that what exactly this 2+2 course is all about. And post that I got myself convinced. I took a bold decision that my daughter has to go to US and study.
I wanted to pursue MBA from the USA, but I was a bit apprehensive because of the high tuition fee that they charge over there. Vidyalankar actually provided me with the best opportunity that I could ever find in my life. So I took that opportunity and the experience has been nothing short of brilliant.
I went to California State University with the 2+2 program at Vidyalankar. My visa process for this program was made really easy by my professors.
Teachers at VI really helped me with. They prepared me for all the prerequisitions that I was needed to fulfill. There was also TOEFL training that was really important for us to do, because that's something that's needed for your admission over there.
Students looking to go abroad for further education have to be fluent in the English language because it is one of the mandatory entry-level requirements. We at Vidyalankar conduct extensive training sessions for English proficiency exams like the TOEFL and the IELTS.
The main challenge the parents face is to arrange the finances. To ease out that process, we have collaborated with banks as well as non-banking services to arrange loans for these students.
The institute offers support services such as financial and career counseling, forex, insurance, gives extensive training for visa interviews and makes the journey totally smooth.
Particularly if you are asking me a question of financial for a middle class person, it's a big question. Whereas there are a lot of options. It's not all about that you need to have a hard cash into your account. The money can be arranged by couple of ways, which is explained by the institute management in such a manner there is no doubt left for a parent to take a decision of making that.
The success of these programs lies when we see our students working in a global environment with the multinational companies like Google, Microsoft, Deloitte and many more such multinational brands. They get the package as high as $1,20,000, $1,30,000 per annum.
I also got to participate in campus fairs, job fairs, where I was actually hired by Pepsi, that's PepsiCo, the company, as a recruiter.
I currently work at Deloitte at Facebook, and it's a great experience.
So currently she is working with Deloitte at Penn State only, and she is working as a program analyst there.
I'm going to the University of Fraser Valley, Canada. And I'm coming with you too. Cool.
So I'm pretty excited to join the Penn State University this fall, and I think I'm going to do my majors in integration and application.
Hey, I'm very excited to join the University of Toledo in US this fall. What about you?
It's my dream to join the California State University and work in the US.
At Vidyalankar, we are proud to say that through these transfer programs, we are able to create globally competent workforce ready to take on the world.
The job landscape has completely changed. Every educational institute needs to groom global citizens and prepare them for job of tomorrow. Vidyalankar's vision is to create global leaders.